Hey, Christy, what's your favorite season?
I would have to say fall.
Ooh, fall.
Fall's my favorite season.
Idaho has not figured out spring yet.
They haven't. It feels kind of like fall. Like, I think I'm going to put on my sweater.
We need warm sweaters for fall, for sure.
Fall.
What's happening in fall? There was something cool for fall.
Falling for autumn?
Oh, falling for autumn, yes. So we are going to do the Falling for Autumn quilt by Kimberbell. Very excited. And our sponsor is going to be
Daylily Fabric Shop.
Daylily Fabric Shop is our sponsor. So it's time to start getting our pre-orders in. So let me just tell you real quick what products that we are going to need to order. So we are going to need our CD that comes with the booklet for the quilt. It is the 40 by 40 quilt.
It is going to be a 40 by 40.
Perfect. And then a fabric kit that's going to be available.
Yep, and it's going to include the backing in the fabric kit.
Oh,
There's no
good to know.
separate backing kit this time, which is nice.
That is nice. When is it coming out?
June 21st.
June 21st. Okay, that's great. And embellishment kit, I assume?
There's going to be an embellishment kit.
Yeah.
So there's inside the embellishment kit, we're all kind of guessing because it hasn't really been fully released, announced of what's in there.
Yeah.
But I believe it should be some of the new felt colors that are coming out.
Fall felt colors.
Fall felt
Nice.
colors. And quite a few other little pieces. I would assume maybe the glitter sheets, looking at the leaves. We saw pom-poms on a blanket.
Yes, we
so
did.
So we'll have some white pom-poms.
And that quilting on that sweater.
I love
Oh my
this.
gosh, that was pretty. The
I have
stitching.
So many sweaters throughout my life of all the different places I've lived. And when I saw the real quilt, I was like, okay, I've got to put that sweater on something.
It's so much cuter than the drawing that we first saw.
Yes.
And the drawing was really pretty, but I knew that there would be little add-ons that make it so special. How about a thread kit?
There is going to be a glide thread kit.
Perfect. And you're going to have a felt bundle for the extra projects if they want to do extras.
Yes, there's going to be new colors of felt, all in fall colors. And I believe the bundle is 11 felt.
Oh, wow.
The 12 by 18, I think they are. Don't hold me to it. I think.
Well, we could look.
Yeah, we
could
look.
We happen to have some Kimberbell felt.
Yeah. What is it?
12 by 18.
I
Good
was
job.
good. I was good.
Good job. So, what was I going to ask you? Will that work for our coupon code, the felt bundle?
Yes.
Nice. And that's not something we have to have. That's an add-on.
That's an add-on. That's not
Very
something you need.
nice.
Everything you need for the quilt is in the embellishment kit. But because we don't know a whole lot yet about all the extra bonus projects,
All right.
but it will be great to build up your stash with
Fall felt colors. Definitely. All right. So can I convince you to help our coupon code work for our stabilizers as well?
I think you can.
All right, great. For our Cristin Creates group. Awesome. Not to put you on the spot or anything.
No. We're going to have all the stabilizers that you need and don't need for the quilt on the coupon code this time.
Perfect. Excellent way to build up our stash of stabilizers.
Yes.
All right, so June 21st release date.
Yes.
And how much is the coupon code good for?
It's going to be 10%. And I think everybody loves Cristin, so I decided Falling for Cristin 2023.
All right, so that's our coupon code.
That'll be our coupon code.
Falling for Cristin 2023. Falling for Cristin 2023. And caps don't matter?
Caps should not matter.
Okay, all right. And you're going to have all of these available for pre-order.
Yep, we're going to start the pre-orders
at Daylily's Etsy shop. So we will include a link underneath this video for all of the products needed. I think we went over everything. Felt bundle, June 21st, stabilizers, fabric kit, embellishment kit, glide thread kit, stabilizers, and 10% off with our sponsor, Daylily Fabric Shop. If you haven't met her, this is Christy from Daylily Fabric Shop. So I'm excited to have her here, and they are going to sponsor our project for us, Falling for Autumn.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. I'm
and thank
excited.
you guys. We really appreciate all your business and look forward to seeing everybody's posts once you get your tutorials
for our
going.
group project. Yes, always fun. All right, guys, so get your pre-orders in now. It's time to start getting ready for Falling for Autumn.
Yes.
There you go. Good. I edit this part out anyway. It doesn't matter. I forgot my line. I did. Spring. Yes, thank you. Okay. So we are going to need our coupon. I'm sorry. We'll just edit that part.
Yep.
All right. The CD booklet. That's where I jumped up to here. Okay. What else?
The
felt.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, so just a really quick reminder on how to find the information underneath the video. I don't have the video up yet for the Falling for Autumn, but I can show you other videos just so that you can see underneath. So open up any browser and go to YouTube, and Cristin Creates on YouTube. All right, and then under any video, so click the latest video. Here's the May announcement of their cuties. Click on the video, and I'm on a computer, of course, so on a phone it's a little bit different, but I'll try and show you both. So here's Cristin talking about the latest announcement for the May cuties that's coming up, and then underneath the video, so if you just scroll under the video, it'll say click here to see links below the video, and then it starts to say, it looks a little different on my end since I'm the owner of it, but it'll say join the fun in our group, blah blah blah. Click show more right here, show more, and then look, all this information is under every single video to tell you the products needed for our current project, and how to get them from our sponsor, and the affiliate link for their quilting. And Brilliance Essentials, we'll talk about that as well. Here's a link to our Cristin Creates Facebook group if you're not already in that. And then it starts in right on what our next project is. So this one is talking about the cuties and our sponsor here. You would just click on the blue links. And then there's also at the bottom is always information, not at the bottom, but within that description is the sponsor's affiliate link for the quilting. So we're going to be doing Falling for Autumn with Daylily Fabric Shop. So underneath that video, there will be a link for their affiliate link to order from Kimberbell for the quilting designs and all the different products that will be needed for Falling for Autumn. And then I've got other links since I get questions of items that I use. I have links for that, and then always what's coming up next, and information on my shirt, because I always get questions about my shirt. So there's a lot of information under every single video, like literally every video. So you don't ever have to worry about how to find the information. So there's information within the video, but then under every single video, there's always information about that current project that we're working on, which will be Falling for Autumn. And then below that is information on upcoming projects. So links for everything that you could think of. All right, and then if you're in the market for embroidery software, you would click on the affiliate link for Embrilliance and add to your cart there. So all this information is always under all of the videos. If you're doing this from your phone, it's a little bit different. It would be basically you go to YouTube, Cristin Creates on YouTube, and over underneath the video or over on the right side of it, there's a little arrow, if I recall. And from there, you would just click on that, and you see the entire video description. All that information is on there as well. And iPad also, I've heard that it's a little bit different on how to find it, but someone added information on that as well. So you can definitely find all of the links, all of the information underneath the video, or whatever the little arrow is that shows to be able to see more information under the video. I hope this helps.